10-inch Funko Pop ni Saturn from One Piece nandito na! Oh, look at that, oh! Hey, what's up? It's me, Shaina. Yes! Nasa atin na si Saturn! And unlike other One Piece Funko Pops, 10-inch to. Na-score natin to from FJL Collectibles. And nakuha natin to for a very affordable price. So, what are we waiting for? I-unbox na natin. Whoop! Ganda! Saan kaya kita lalagay? Ganito yung itsura niya sa Egghead Arc. Pansin ko, parang lahat ng elders may ganito. Parang si Luffy meron din nito, no? Anyway, take a look at these spider legs. Ang vibrant niya. One of the best purchase so far. Ito yung itsura niya pag di-display sa cabinet. Ang ganda! Though parang maliit siya for a 10-inch Funko Pop. If I remember correctly, around 7 to 8 inches to. Then ito, 10 inches. Parang parehas lang. Still, one of the best purchase and wala na akong reklamo. Thank you once again, FJL Collectibles. Solid ng tinda mo and solid rin ang mga tinitinda ng mga trusted stores ko. And of course, don't forget to follow and subscribe.